Hello. Thank you for your interest in our Introduction to Big Data with Apache Spark course by Pragmatic Works. In this course, we're going to go through an installation and configuration of Apache Spark as well as IntelliJ IDEA. We then discuss performing different data operations using Scala. Now, Scala is the built-in native programming language to Apache Spark. And then we transition over to talking about Spark SQL. So how can we do a lot of the same stuff we do with Scala, but do it with Spark SQL? And the reason we do that is because if you already have, which you probably do, some familiarity with SQL, then you can make a much easier transition into working with Apache Spark and doing a lot of those data operations. From there, we move into how do we use IntelliJ IDEA to deploy, to debug, to automate, and to expand on existing projects that we've already developed. All right, we hope you enjoy taking this course as much as we enjoyed developing it.